Bright, bold, and built like a tank. This is the Casio GA-B2100 9A. Welcome back to Small Seconds Watch Reviews. Thanks for tuning in again. If you're a fan of the classic Casio but want modern features like Bluetooth and solar charging, stick around because this review's for you. Founded in 1946 in Japan, Casio has made everything from calculators to cameras, but it was in 1983 that they shook up the watch world with the first ever G-Shock, the DW5000C. Designed to be virtually indestructible, the G-Shock line eventually became a global sensation as favored by military personnel, athletes, and anyone who needs a rugged timepiece. So here are the specs on this bright beauty. The watch is 48.5 millimeters in diameter, but thanks to its slim 11.9 millimeters thickness, it wears comfortably on most wrists. The Casioaks have a carbon resin material that's lightweight yet incredibly strong. The watch is shock resistant, water resistant to 200 meters, weighs a measly 52 grams, and is powered by Casio's tough solar battery. The crystal on this watch is mineral glass, but the watch is designed to have protection from the raised bezel. The dial is a sunray gray with a utilitarian layout. At 9 o'clock, you'll see the mode choice and the power reserve left in the battery with an indicator pointer. At 3 o'clock, we see the digital display and the classic G-Shock logos at noon. The bands on these are okay but highly customizable, which is a nice feature. But what makes the Casioak even more of a value is all the bells and whistles. There are so many. The watch comes with Bluetooth and you can sync it with the Casio app for automatic time adjustments and super easy setting changes. The world time feature covers 38 different cities. There's a countdown timer, a stopwatch, an alarm, even a calendar that'll work until 2099, which is how long this watch is probably going to last you. My favorite feature is the power saving mode. When the watch is left in the dark, it automatically goes into power save mode and can last 18 months like that. So my thoughts, this watch is actually from my personal collection, but we don't sell Casio in our shop at this time. To me, this is a staple watch that everyone should try out in their collection at some point. I find myself grabbing this watch about 80% of the time, and I'm pretty sure you would too. The MSRP on this is $160, with the non-solar version a bit less, but I see sales all the time. They come in a ton of different colors, so keep that in mind. I would probably steer clear of eBay or the second-hand market for one of these, as there are remarkably a ton of fakes out there, and at this price point, it's not worth the risk. Just buy new and get the warranty. So what do you think of the Casioak? Are you a fan? Let me know in the comments, and don't forget to check out our online store, smallsecondswatchreviews.com, where we have different colored high-quality Casioak straps, which we call the Oak Fit. We carry them all in stock, and we can get them to you to help your customizable needs. Thanks, everybody. Cheers.